Kajialang juga kinhun menteri juga jela Meghalaya kaban long lasai kasih ka por khar architect janmit kala ban yo iya ka drama ka ba Itynnad hapreng ki arngot shipara kani ka drama ka de Halor ka jingthmu ban IT penyai ki arteri ki distribution circle shaka company RiKhasi ka ban Delhi Minta ka sengi ka pratri ujliu aja arpoi menteri ka tnat boarding u James ki sangma u CMD ke MECL Warun Kumar Kembhavi, Barkaseng ki engineer juga MECL, kilai kendu yu menteri rang pau Conrad ki sangma, ban pin pau bakimi hap setiai ke jingthmu jaga sorkar, ban IT penyai ke Eastern Circle ke bakintup ke Jantia Hills barok away, bari ke Central Circle ke bakintup ke East Khasi Hills, lain no ke Shillong, bar ke West Khasi Hills District, syakani ke company. U Conrad sangma ulong bakhnang ban pinsting ke sorkar ban siulut naladi ka ram bala shimling ba ka atma nirbhar ka bapoi hadu khalai spa 100% klorting ka la sngau dei ba ke MECL rukan kitlang ko ba 8% na kani ka ram ulong ba ka RECPDCL ka labo kendon balada ka sorkar ka siulut ya ka ram ka REPDCL ka numyo ban pinyaj bar ka sorkar ka hab an siutam sa sanspa phrapo klorting ka hagini ke shipos nam ki banwan Hindregla Tyrwa bahkan penyait katu kat negi distribution circle kenang mat pinsting ke sorkar mat pin bahai ke jingtre kam juga MECL. U Conrad ulong bayakan ni on sa Tyrwa ke jelang juga kinhun menteri kaban long lasai ke sengi. Hindre na kaliang u James sangma ulai thu bahai ke jelang jong u bar u CMD ringkat ke sengki engineer la pin pau ba kimla ban priang ke ni ke jingthmu juga sorkar lengba ke finance department ne ke tenat pratingka ka balabat hidu Conrad Ujiam sulong bakatanat boarding barki MECL kin Pyrshah baik yakni ke jelang juga kin hun menteri namar bagi engineer barki nong tray ke MECL kila ban tray ban pinbah.
I have accordingly met the Honorable Chief Minister today, and I have also once again stressed upon and urged upon him to looking at the fact that the MECL is very much capable with good officers and with leadership like the present CMD, that they are capable of managing these circles, and we do not need to give this distribution franchising because MECL would stand to lose in the long run. And I have urged upon the Honorable Chief Minister today. So the meeting is going to take place tomorrow, and I've had a very, very positive meeting with him. And he has assured me that he will definitely be looking into this matter, and before we come to a decision tomorrow, we will take up this matter in a meeting and discuss this with our cabinet colleagues. And I'm very positive of the discussions that we've had with